Have you ever had a pan look like this and you want to salvage it but don't know how? Well, this is what works best for me. I take the pan and completely cover it with oven cleaner. I want to saturate it completely, and I also do the back. Then I'm going to throw it in a plastic bag and set it in the oven overnight. I'm not turning the oven on, I just don't want the fumes in the kitchen. After it's sat in there overnight, I take it out and it'll completely just scrub off with no pressure. I use a sponge and completely scrub all of it off, and then I go over and clean it with some dish soap to get all of the oven cleaner off of it. It doesn't quite look brand new, but it does look so much better.
Time to see how well they clean in between residents. Scrub, scrub. Much better.
If you hate cleaning your kitchen, here's some hacks to make things easier. Pots and pans, just add a lemon, baking soda, and vinegar, bring it to boil, and everything should come right off. Wooden cutting board stains, add salt and scrub it with a half a lemon. Plastic cutting boards, baking soda, vinegar, and scrub with a lemon. When you measure out honey, syrup, or any other sticky stuff, don't do this. Spray with cooking spray first, and everything comes right out. Same thing when you grate cheese. The cheese doesn't get stuck on the grater. Descaling a kettle, just add vinegar, bring it to boil, let it sit for 1 hour, and boom, brand new. Oven grease. Mix baking soda and vinegar until you have a paste. Use a sponge to apply this mixture on the grease. Add 1 cup of vinegar in the bowl. Hi, Bella. Put it inside the oven, put the oven on low heat for 1 hour, and goodbye to the grease. For Just sprinkle some baking soda, add vinegar, let it sit for 5 minutes, then add hot water. Boom! Add vinegar in a bowl, half a lemon, microwave it for 1 minute, open it up and wipe it clean.